Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chords back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing the song Off My Face by Justin Bieber. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to play this for the beginner, the intermediate, and the advanced player with your capo on fret number 4, and we're using the key of C. Alright, so the chords that we're going to be using in this video, I will show you the rest as we go. But first of all, let's learn C, which is open, 3, 2, open, 1, open. Okay, so that's your... So C, that's now E minor, open, 2, 2, open, open, open. And then we have A minor. And then we go to G. Okay, so A minor is open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. And then G is 3, 2, open, 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 1. Sorry, open, 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 3. Right, so for the intro, right, we are playing. So on your C, you pluck strings 5, 3, 2, 1. Right, so pluck. And then you go to your second string, pluck 2. Okay, so pluck 2, 1, right? Pluck 2, 1. And then I want you to do a hammer off from first fret, right? First fret off the high pitched E. So C, 2, 1, hammer off, and then you go to 2, 1 again. So you're doing that, pluck 1, pluck 2, 1, hammer off 2, 1 while holding your C, and then you go to E minor. So in E minor we're plucking 6, 4, 3, 2. Right, so that's pluck 4, 2, hammer off on the second string this time, first fret. Right? So you have, so that's pluck 4, 2, hammer off 4, 2, and then you go to your A minor, and we're plucking 5, 4, 3, 2, and it's pluck 3, 2, hammer off the third fret of your second string. So that's, you're hammering it off to this 1 that you're already holding on your A minor, okay? So pluck 3, 2, hammer off 3, 2, G. So G, 3, 2, hammer onto the first fret, and then open. So pluck 3, 2, hammer, open. Right, so pluck 3, 2, hammer, open on the second. So let's do that all at once. So C, so that's it for your intro, and it's going to be the same thing for your verse. Okay, now for your verse I'm going to show you the beginner way first, which is you using the strums. Okay, let's do that. So we have, so C to E minor, and then A minor to G, okay? And we're strumming down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down. Okay, and if you're like an intermediate player, you can play This is C, the bar chord though, not, which you can play like this also. You're just, this time you're plucking 5, 1. Okay, so you have, alright, so here I'm playing pluck. So pluck 5, 3, 2. So you just keep repeating that. So 5, 3, 2, 5, 3, 2, 5. Sorry, it's pluck 5, 5, 3, 2, pluck 5, 3, 2, pluck. Sorry, pluck 5, 3, 2, pluck 5, 3, 2, and then you go to E minor, and then you go to A minor, and it's still the same thing. And then for G, you're just gonna change from 5 to 6. And that is it for your intermediate and advanced player. Advanced, you can play the intro actually for the verse because it's gonna sound the same. And then we get into this, I don't know if this is the pre-chorus or it's already the chorus. But this whole even, okay, cause I'm off my face in love with you. Let's do that part. Because I'm off my face. Okay, so cause I'm off, that's if my face, that's G. And then C, E minor, A minor, E minor, and then F again, C, sorry, F again, G, C, E minor, A minor, E minor. Okay, so that's cause I'm off. Okay, so I'm plucking strings 6, 3, 2, 6, 4, 3, 2. Cause I'm off. That, right? That's your F. My face. That's your G. 6, 4, 3, 2. And then because so for C we're plucking 6, 3, 2, 1. And then for E minor, you're gonna hammer on the 3rd fret of your 2nd string, which is the B string. Right? And pluck strings 5, 3, 2. So C, and then A minor 5, 3, 2, and then E minor the 2nd time. You're holding it properly this time, and you're plucking 6, 4, 3, 2, and then again you repeat the same chords. My face and okay, so if you're an advanced player, the 3rd time the and I don't know how you do it, and I don't know. You do that kind of right, the 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 4, 6, no, 6, 6, 3, 6, 4. You cycle that to G, and then you repeat the okay, so the still the same chords. And then the 2nd verse is the same as the 1st verse. I'm pretty sure the 2nd verse is the same. I don't know if we have a bridge. No, we don't. It's gonna be the same chords for the rest of the song. So yeah, do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.